College life is an exciting and transformative experience for many young adults. It's a time when you have the opportunity to learn new things, make lifelong friends, and explore different interests and passions. College is not only about getting an education but also about discovering who you are as a person and figuring out what you want to do with your life. In today's video, I'm going to share some important tips for college students. These tips will help you have a successful and enjoyable college experience. First, it's important to get organized. You can create a schedule or planner and write down all your assignments, exams, and deadlines. This will help you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Next, attending classes regularly is important. Not only will you learn new things, but it will also help you develop a good relationship with your professors. If you're struggling with a particular subject, don't hesitate to ask for help. Number 3. Joining a club or organization is a great way to meet new people and develop new skills. You can join a sports team, a volunteer group, or a hobby club. It's a great way to get involved on campus. Number 4. Networking is crucial in college. You can attend career fairs, workshops, and events to meet new people and learn about potential job opportunities. Connect with your professors and alumni and build relationships with them. Number 5. College can be stressful, so taking care of yourself is important. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat a balanced diet. Don't forget to take breaks and do things that you enjoy. Number 6. Lastly, start planning for your future early on. Whether it's applying for internships, studying abroad, or preparing for graduate school, start thinking about your post-college plans. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.